Can I interest you in an alpine lake forest wonderland? I'm standing here on the shoreline of Elk Lake here in Deschutes National Forest, Central Oregon. And look at how beautiful this is. I mean, this is ridiculous. This is truly ridiculous. Today is October 16, 2025. We're in that last week or two before the gates for Cascade Lake Scenic Byway closed for the year, the annual Snowmageddon. Kind of interesting, the dichotomy of this area. It's really only open a few months a year, maybe 3 months, give or take. The other 8-9 months, it's closed and really more of a winter destination. Mount Bachelor and a world-class series of snow parks, rustic log cabin shelters. So you got to get while the getting's good. Come up here in the heart of summer, get your camping on, your boating on, your kayaking on, hiking on, of course. And then it shuts down right around now, next week or two probably. They'll close the gates and won't be able to come up and see Elk Lake for another 8 or 9 months. Thought I'd come through here one last time, take advantage of this pretty good week of weather. It did already have its first snow in the mountains a couple days ago, so we're right at the turn, the warmest turning, my friend. But I thought I'd come up here one more time and just kind of appreciate it. Final voyage of Central Oregon as far as getting your summer play on for the year, although it's technically the beginning of fall. This is a really beautiful area, I gotta say. This is the kind of area you fall in love with and you make an annual mecca. Bring your family and pick your favorite campground, favorite campsite, book it, come every year. It's a life-affirming ritual. Good for the mind, good for the body, and good for the soul. Areas like this are exactly why I live in and I love beautiful Central Oregon.